How to add Qikink in Shopify. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. So step 1 till the end on how to set it up and connect it to Shopify. So let's just get started right away. So for this, we obviously need Qikink as well as our Shopify store. Now I do not have a Qikink account yet, so I'm going to show you guys it from step 1 to sign up. So simply click on here and sign up to an account. Now here you need to enter your full name, email, password, phone number, what brings you here, and how did you discover Qikink. So I'm going to fill everything in really quickly. Once you have filled everything in correctly, you obviously need to agree to the terms and conditions, and then we can actually sign up and continue. Then they have sent you an email where you have to verify your account. Copy that code and paste it in here and click on verify. Then we are good to go to the next step. Now in the next step, we are going to integrate and connect Shopify with Qikink. So the good thing is that we can do it inside of Qikink because over here we have an integration section called Shopify already. So when we click on Shopify, and then we need to click on Get Shopify App. Now, when you click on this, we have to click on this link over here in order to install it. So click on it. This will bring you over to Shopify, where you have to log into the correct account if you hadn't already, and then simply click on Install. Now, when we click on Install, another page will show up where we simply have to click on install. Now, it currently does say this app is currently unsupported, so keep that in mind, but simply click on install. Once it has been installed, we can simply click on log in and then log into our Qikink account. So here we have to enter the Qikink username. So let's just go to Qikink real quick. Now, our username should just be our email address. So simply go over here and click on submit. And here we have to enter a verification code sent to our email. This is the code over here. So I'm going to simply go over here, click on copy, go to the store, go over here, paste it in here and click on submit. And now we have verified. Now, as you can see, we currently have successfully linked our Qikink account with Shopify. Now, if you go back to Qikink and simply refresh the page, now you can also see the Shopify here that we have successfully integrated it with my Shopify store, and that this is, the Shopify store link. You probably have a different link, an actual domain, but for the sake of these tutorials, this is just how my link looks like. So that way we have now successfully integrated everything. So now we can go to the main page and pretty much do whatever we want. So we can, for example, select a collection, and then, we can see every single fulfillment and collection. So that is pretty much it. That is how to add Qikink in Shopify.